அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Welcome to Satish Science Teacher YouTube channel. If you are visiting the first time in this YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe this channel and do share with your friends. And please do not forget to press the bell icon which is next to the subscribe button. Then only you will get all the notifications as soon as released. So today we are going to see the book back evaluations from Standard 8 Tamil Nadu Samachir Kalvi Science Book Unit 11 Air. So what is air? As you know, the air is the combination of various gases that is surrounded by the earth. That is otherwise known as earth atmosphere. Okay, let's see the book back evaluations in this lesson. This is a concept map for this lesson. So air is a mixture of various gases. They are giving some of the gases in the highlighted format: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and greenhouse effect. So oxygen is a denser than air. So the oxygen is always occupies the lower portion of atmosphere that is next to the at the surface, and breathing it is a breathing gas because all the living organisms needs oxygen for their day-to-day life activities. And well, in the manufacturing or in the industrial field, the oxygen is used in welding purpose and is also the one of the fuel because oxygen enhances the burning. Okay, and next one is nitrogen. Nitrogen is lighter than air, so the nitrogen is always occupies the upper portion of the atmosphere, and it is involved in the formation of all the fertilizers like ammonia, urea, like that. And it is a inflating diary, and it is a refrigerant. That means it gives the coolant to it acts as a coolant to give the very lower temperature. Say example, liquid nitrogen is one of the coolant. And carbon dioxide, it is heavier than air. Dry ice is nothing but the carbon dioxide. And soft drinks, aerated carbonated like 7 Up, Mirinda, in the like they are otherwise known as carbonated drinks. So இதில் எல்லாமே கார்பன் வந்து நிறைய இருக்கும். So soft drinks. And greenhouse effect is nothing but because of the industrialization, the carbon dioxide emission is highly increased day to day life. So in this way, the CO2 is continually added to the atmosphere that leads to the global warming. So when there is a carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon, nitrogen, sulfur, like that, they are added continuously to the atmospheric air. That leads to the acid rain. So as you know, the acid is harmful to the living organisms. So once the acid rain is pouring in any of the area, that area is completely divided and swept by the acid rain. So none of the organisms are living there. Okay, so that's all about the concept map. Okay, let's see the textbook evaluations. Choose the best answer. Which of the following is true about oxygen? It supports the burning. Aerated water contains carbon dioxide. Solvay process is a method of manufacturing sodium carbonate. Carbon dioxide with water changes blue litmus to red. Which of the following is known as azote? Azote is nothing but the nitrogen. And fill in the blanks. 1. Oxygen is called as a vital life because without oxygen, none of the organisms can live. Okay, so the oxygen is called as a vital life. Nitrogen is lighter than air. Nitrogen is used as fertilizer because nitrogen is the basic material which is needed to manufacture of urea, ammonia, like that. And dry ice is used as a refrigerant because it gives a very low temperature. The process of conversion of iron into hydrated form of oxide is called rusting. So rusting is otherwise known as in Tamil turupidithal. And match the following. Nitrogen is nothing but the fertilizer. Oxygen is the respiration in living animals. Carbon dioxide is a fire extinguisher. So whenever you see the fire extinguisher box, you should go through the label that gives the information about the ingredients. They are mostly carbon dioxide. Dry ice is nothing but the refrigerator. So that's all about the book back evaluations from this lesson. One more book back evaluations. So please go through it again and again. Then only you will get a good idea about the lesson. And all the best for any competitive examinations of yours. And thanks for watching this. If you are visiting first time in this YouTube channel, that is Satish Science Teacher YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do share with your friends. And don't forget to touch the bell icon which is next to the subscribe button Then only you will get all the notifications from us. Thank you. Thanks for listening.